Are you thinking of paying to promote your YouTube channel? You're not alone, and trust me, you're about to save yourself a lot of time and money. Every day, thousands of new creators rush to Fiverr and Google Ads, hoping to jumpstart their YouTube dreams. But is it really worth it? Or are you just pouring your money into a black hole? Let's break it down. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do. Let's start with Fiverr. It's cheap, fast, and honestly pretty tempting. $5 for 1,000 views. Sounds like a steal, right? But here's the truth. Most of those views are low quality, low retention, and sometimes completely fake. In fact, many Fiverr services violate YouTube's terms of service, which could get your video flagged or even your channel demonetized. Even worse, they destroy your analytics. YouTube starts recommending your content based on those fake views. Views that never engaged. This means your click-through rate drops, your watch time tanks, and the algorithm gets confused. What does that lead to? Fewer real viewers and zero growth. Now let's talk about Google Ads. This one's legit. It's YouTube's own promotion tool. You can target people based on location, interests, age, device. It's super powerful. But it's not cheap, and it's definitely not magic. You'll need to spend anywhere from $10 to $100+ just to see what works. And the results, they can be real. Yes, but only if you know what you're doing. Even then, views from Google Ads often disappear the moment you stop spending. Which brings us to the big question, what's your actual goal? Because this changes everything. If you're a business owner trying to promote your product or service, Google Ads might make sense. YouTube is just a marketing channel in that case, not the final destination. You're not chasing subscribers or watch hours, you're chasing leads and conversions. So yes, for you, promotion might be worth every dollar, but if you are a content creator, someone trying to grow on YouTube organically, buying views is the worst strategy you could use. Not only do the views vanish, but they'll mislead you into creating more of the wrong content. You'll start making videos based on inflated data, not real engagement. And that's the recipe for burnout and wasted effort. Now let's get real. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Most successful creators don't pay for promotion. They learn SEO, made better thumbnails, and stayed consistent. Your first 100 subscribers, they matter way more than 10,000 fake views. Because those real 100 people will actually watch, comment, and come back for more. Instead of chasing shortcuts, dig into your YouTube analytics. Look at audience retention, traffic sources, and CTR. Those numbers are your roadmap, not your view count. And here's the kicker. If you inflate your views with promotions, that roadmap becomes useless. You'll be flying blind with fake data. And here's a fact. 80% of new YouTubers quit in the first year, not because their content is bad, but because they get discouraged chasing fast results. But here's the secret, slow growth is still growth. Every real view, every real comment, and every real like builds your channel's foundation. The algorithm loves authenticity, not artificial numbers. So what's the smarter move? Let your views come naturally. Even if it's slow, focus on what you can control. Your titles, your thumbnails, your keywords, and your value. You're not here to spend money on YouTube. You are here to make money from YouTube. And if you play it right, you absolutely will. So don't fall for the Fiverr trap and don't waste Google Ads on chasing vanity. If you're building a business, promote with purpose. If you're building a brand, grow with strategy. Subscribe for more no-fluff YouTube advice. And remember, real growth always wins.